Now, I am not sure if there are any other autism nature trails in the country. This is Letchworth State Park at Humphrey Nature Center. It's after 5, so the nature center is closed. I spent a couple of hours up to the Olympic-sized pool having a great time. So I'm a little late getting here. But let's check this out. I mean, an autism nature trail. They say that it is, it's really for everybody. Everybody can gain something from it. So, it's just beautiful here. Did you know that there was such a thing as an autism nature trail? So this one's an igneous rock, and that's a sedimentary rock. But this is lovely because, I don't know, you just want to come and touch it and feel it, and it looks smoother than it is. Oh. Oh my God, the trees are so tall here. I mean, this area I'm in right now of the Genesee River Valley in New York State. I mean, I'm a fan of the Adirondacks, but this is, the smell is just beautiful. And the old growth forests, and black bears, and I just saw a 6-point buck back there. Look like a statue. Even up in my own county, I was driving up there with my brother recently, and I was like, oh, did you ever see those deer that, like, they're made out of cement or something, but they look like real deer, and they're in somebody's front yard, and they're just posed, looking up. And I was like, we drove down this road, and I was like, oh, look at that. It looks so real. That statue does. And then we're coming back, and the statue's still there. I said, wait a minute. The head was pointed the other way the last time we went by. And it was so funny because it was a real deer. He was standing in somebody's front yard. He looked just like a statue. Just like a statue. And, I mean, that's just life here, you know. And you think of all the people stuck in big cities, and, it's terrible. This is the Trailhead Pavilion. Oh, look at this. Is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at these. These are some Norfolks. Not that impressed with Norfolks. I'm an eastern white pine person. Autism the ant. I don't know what that means. Oh, Autism Nature Trail. Look at it. These are the benches at the Autism Nature Trail, otherwise known as Ant. Oh my gosh, look at these. Look at the detail on these. Look at this one. There's the whole family of raccoons. Look at this beautiful. Just makes you want to touch it. And then, since this is a sensory station, look at all these things to touch at the sensory station. Oh, quite a step up. Oh, look at all these things to touch. I just love this kind of stuff. I love touching things ever since I was little. My father said, oh, I couldn't take you in anywhere when you were little. You couldn't keep your hands off anything. I thought everything was going to break. And he thought he was going to have to pay for it. Look at, there's so much to touch. Oh, it's beautiful. Again, this is the sensory station at the Autism Nature Trail. So sadly, so many people are affected. If you haven't watched RFK, I really believe that a lot of his hypothesis with the origin of autism, what causes it. That was fun, huh? Julian Sunshine Slope. I'm gonna skip that one now. It's only like 7 o'clock, but it's so dark. I'm gonna plan on coming back here again, where I can, maybe a nice hot day where I can spend another couple hours in the pool, maybe bring some friends, and then check out this Autism Nature Trail with some other people, or by myself again, whichever scared myself. Oh, no, I didn't scare myself. There is somebody looking at me. See him? That is not part of this. That's not part of the statues. That's real. He figures if he doesn't move, that I won't see him. So I hope that's the only thing I run across that I wasn't expecting. Hello, baby. I see you. You hiding on me? You hiding on me? I'm the deer spotter. I see deer everywhere. Just for a second I was kind of thinking it wasn't real again. That was weird. I had second thoughts. I was like, which way was the head facing the last time I looked? Maybe it really is. Maybe it really is a statue. Oh man. You don't know anymore. I just hope that doesn't happen with a bear. Look at these beautiful. Oh, this is the fun part. I think I saw this. This is the music circle. This is gonna freak out the deer. Oh, look at this. Again, the Autism Nature Trail at Letchworth State Park in 2017 voted the best state park in the country. All right, let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh, look, they're labeled C, D, E, G, A. Every good boy does fine, or something. Here we go. You can go farther up there, but I'm going to just keep going this way. That was fun. That was worth coming here for. I gotta get some of those for my house or something. Now, they did have something weird happen here. I don't know, it happened yesterday or the day before, and I think I might have seen where something happened because, I don't know, there was just like some newly trodden and cut stuff that wasn't there last time. And so what happened was some guy killed his grandfather over near Rochester, New York, and like really gruesomely, you know, like. And then the person who did that came here to Letchworth, and they had to evacuate the whole park. Let me tell you, this is a big place to evacuate. And then by the time they found the guy who was armed and had like a rifle or something, he killed himself here. So, I mean, just a lot of... I try not to think about things like that because, you know, the Bible tells us to concentrate on the good things. And sometimes I listen to the news and bad things keep going through my head. And like really to the point where I'm just like, almost like I'm terrorizing myself, you know, and I know that I'm not the only person that does that. But what I like to do is concentrate on the good things. And I pray for God to block the bad thoughts. Of course, I limit my time. I don't really watch TV at all. I don't have cable TV. So I try to limit what I see on YouTube, but it's not always easy. So we should all do that, really, because I know even with my limited exposure, it's still too much. There are just things that I wished I'd never known. And so now what happens is I picture Jesus coming right down, like I have this image of him. We all have an image, I think. Whatever it may be to you, you know, some children see him black, and Indians see him Indian, and Native Americans see him Native American. But anyway, I see Jesus coming down, and I immediately see him coming down and blocking those thoughts. And I try to envision that every single time, because I honestly think he really is doing it, because I'm asking him for help. And I try to keep my mind focused on good things. Like the Autism Nature Trail, which is awesome. You got to come here and see it. I don't know, it's only 7 o'clock in summer, so, you know, honestly, it should be, there should be some light for the next 2 hours, but the cloud cover is so heavy that it just looks like it's getting dark here in the forest. There's no sounds. Should I sit on the swing? Yes, I should sit on the swing. Oh my gosh, look at this bug. Look at this bug. Little kids would like that. There's more stations down there. I'm going to sit me here. Meadow run and climb. Gonna have to save that for another day, because I don't know where I am. I thought this was heading back to it is a meadow run and climb. Well, I gotta go up here. Oh, look at this beautiful. Look at these wildflowers. Look at them. Back there is the path I just came down. Got nice little video of a hooded warbler, which I've never seen before. So, cross that off my life list. Look at this. Look at, there's just one flower there. Look at this, meadow run and climb. Oh, look, oh, you come around here. And then you come up there and go around. So cool. when I was little, you used to be able to just walk out the back door and go into the woods. So, you know, I grew up going out to the woods. And my father made a path through the woods. Up in the meadow, there was a little picnic table. And so that was just a beautiful part of being a child. Look at this. Oh, here's more of these beautiful benches. Oh my God. Look at this. Cardinals. Or looks like cardinals and a blue jay. Or look like, kind of like blue jays. Monarch butterflies, which go to South America. Imagine those eccentric little things flying that far. I almost said driving, flying that far. Look, here's bunnies. Here's something in the woods over there. So, you know, I looked up and to see the kind of things that are in the woods at Letchworth. And there are black bears. And there are bobcats. I don't know why there's nobody on the Autism Nature Trail tonight. Here's a little fun place to play. This is pretty heavy woods here. I mean, probably most of the time there's other people here. Pretty heavy wooded area that this goes through. Grandma Susie. Ooh. Is she buried there? Who's living back there? Here's another funny thing that I do. I don't know if you do this, but I put like a water bottle or something else in my backpack, and then and what is that? Somebody's over there watching me. It's another deer. There are no moose here. But I put stuff in my backpack, and then I keep turning around because I hear a noise, and I think, what the heck is that? Somebody's following me, and it's whatever's in my backpack. I don't know if that's the same doe that I saw before or not. I hope I'm coming around back towards the parking lot. None of this looks familiar. If I have to go back the whole way, I'm gonna scream. Grandma Susie's design zone. God. Looks like there might be a go around. Alright, let's hope for the best. These are wonderful milkweed pods. See these milkweed pods? These are going to have, they're going to have those black and yellow caterpillars. And this, actually there's a lot of them here. This is probably going to generate a lot of monarch butterflies. I'm still seeing new things I've never seen before. I mean, I'd like to go see if I can push that over, but I guess it's a crow. No, it looks like yeah, well, I see that goes that way. I'm cutting through because now I'm starting to get a little, goofy here. Thought it was just a loop. Oh, jeez. for John Muir. That's nice. Okay, it does go in a loop. So I'm back where I came in. I'm very happy about that. I'm the only person here, and it is so quiet. Goodbye, beautiful place. Oh, I signed the book. Can anybody come sign after me? Nope. Mine's the only car here. Here it is as you walk in. Oh my Jesus. This deer is used to people coming down the autism path. Or maybe God sends angels to see me, and sometimes they take different forms. I do believe that. I'm not even joking. Either way, I just like to thank God for showing me this beautiful wildlife, including this beautiful deer today, and this beautiful autism nature trail. It's just been such a blessing. Goodbye.